Begin with your feet a little wider than shoulder width apart and gently drop down into a comfortable squat. Allow yourself a few seconds or more to sit in this position to stretch your hip capsules. Then, with your hands on your feet or ankles, anchor your arms on your legs while you unfold your legs out of the squat as far as you comfortably can, or until your hamstrings are fully lengthened. Alternate between the beginning squat position and the fully lengthened position for as many reps as is comfortable. Then take some time to sit in a comfortable squat position and gently shift your weight from one side to the other, back and forth, to further stretch your hip capsules. Next, start on your pelvis and rotate your upper body 45 degrees to your left, allowing your legs to assume a 90-90 position. Keeping your core activated, lower your upper body down toward your front leg for a few repetitions. Do this on the other side as well. Then return to your left side, lower your upper body, and lift the foot of your back leg upwards to promote internal rotation of your back side hip. Do a few repetitions of this movement on both sides as well. And lastly, stretch your hip flexors by assuming an exaggerated forward lunge position and pulsing your backside hip flexor down and forward for several repetitions. Repeat on the other side. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you and see you again soon.